What is going on today, guys? Today I am going to unbox the Sublimate heat press, and we also are going to sublimate this hat right here. So let's get to it. Heat gloves. Let's go ahead and pull this out here. And here's another piece it comes with. And then that's all that's in the box. And then if you look closely, there's where the power cord goes into. So let's go ahead and plug that in there. All right, you want to plug that in there like that. All right, so once you have it plugged in, you want to go ahead and turn it on. So there's the power button right here. So let's go ahead and push that. And then you can see the screen light up. And now what you want to do is you want to set the temperature. And for sublimation, I've been doing this for a while with sublimation, is I like to use 385 degrees for 50 seconds. So let's go ahead and set the temperature. This is for, I believe, for you to set the heat element on there. All right, so we got the sublimation sheet that we're gonna put on the hat. And as you can see, it's in reverse. For sublimation, you always wanna reverse the image. And also what you wanna have is heat tape. Now this we got from Amazon as well. I'll leave the link below for any that are interested. And I like to get the wide one, not the really skinny ones. While we wait for it to hit its set temperature, we'll go ahead and load the platen. So we have the hat. And I believe you want to stick this like so, like this. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and put the sheet on here like so. Okay, and now you get your transfer. Set it to wherever you want it. Make sure it's perfectly centered. You use the heat tape like so. So let's go ahead and put this here. And remember, 55 seconds. And once you put it on there with this, you hit enter and it sets the timer. So once you have the right spot ready, let's go ahead and press the hat like so. And then let's hit enter. I like to let it sit for a second. So let's go ahead and leave this on here for about 30 seconds so it can cool off, so it does not create a shadowing or ghosting effect. Show you that. All right, so this is the hat that it created. And if you look at the colors, it's very vibrant. And it's a lot better than I thought. This little hat press is much better than I was expecting. I really didn't think it would like push the sublimation into the fabrics of the hat, but it really did. It got all of the ink inside of there, as you can see with the transfer. That was my fault for not moving the bottom of the platen. But yeah, I would give this little hat press a good rating, especially if you're a beginner or a crafter, or you want to add hats just to see if they sell in your store for a bit before you spend big money on like an expensive hat press. I think this is a very good entry-level hat press. And if you need to knock out some orders and you need a hat press fast, we've ordered this on Amazon for $99, and it came in less than 48 hours. So if you need a hat press quick and you need a good quality one, I would say this is a good way to go. But anyways, guys, if you like these types of videos, please comment, like, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.